Hello guys, today let's see about view in DBMS. View is basically your table, right? The table you get by using your SQL statements or language. So in definition you can give as view is a virtual table that gives you the result of the query, right? So is a virtual table that gives you the result of the query. So yeah, you give a query, you give a SQL language, and the result is shown in the view, that is the table. So let's take an example. We can understand greatly what is view. So, suppose let's take a table first. Alright, and yeah, so let's take ID number. Of course is a primary key. Hope you guys know what primary key is. ID number, name, your let's take gender, gender, work, then age. Okay, so ID is 1 2, let's take one more, 3, right? Name is ABC, gender is male, female, male. Your work is cook. This one is cook 1, cook 2, cook 3. Let's take anything. All right, and age, let's take 51, 53 and 42. Okay, so this is suppose this is a restaurant. All right, this is a restaurant table. So we create a SQL statement to get the view, right? So we give a queue to get the view. So what is the SQL statement? Create view, for creating the view. Okay, it is very easy to memorize. Okay, create view, and here give the view name. What name you want for the view? Suppose you give well, anything you want, right? So give restaurant workers. Okay, this will be, and yeah, this will be your the name of the view that you are creating. Okay, yes. Now select. This select is select from these attributes. Okay, which one do you want? So suppose you want their age. Okay, suppose you just want their age, name and their age. So give name comma age. These are the two things you want from this whole table, right? This is the query you have given, so that you only want their name and their age. So now from where? As the name suggests, from restaurant. Restaurant. Okay, and then comes where. Suppose you are giving a condition, right? You only want one, where suppose you take the gender as a condition. Gender is equal to female, just suppose. Okay, so this is your whole SQL statement. This is the SQL statements. Okay, this whole thing is your SQL statement. And after this, the view you will get, or the table you will get, is, see, you have only wanted two views, two attributes, name and age. So name, age. Okay, and what you have gathered, you have given the name as restaurant, workers, name, age. From restaurant you have taken where gender is equal to female. Where gender is equal to female is only one, so name is B and age is 53. This is your view. Okay, so yeah, this is your view. So what is a view? View is a virtual table that gives the result of the query that you asked. So this is a table, and now you need a query. What is your query? That is give me the age of the female worker, right? give me the age and name of the female worker. So you created a view, the view name you have given whatever you want, then selected from this view, so you will give this name, select the attributes, and then from you have selected the name of this table. So from restaurant, where now we give a condition from female. If you wanted male, you could have given male. If there was male, then there was A51 and C42, but now again female, so it is B53. Hope you guys understood what view is, right? It is simple. Okay, you don't need to learn these things. These are easy, like creating view, then selecting, then from where, from this, and where this is a condition. Okay, so if the question comes, you can just give this one line definition and then explain this, you will get your full marks. Okay, so yeah, hope you guys understood. If you guys did, then great. See you guys in the next video.